Today I'm doing this video, a quick tutorial on this dark kind of teal smoky eye. I am going to a party tonight that is 90s themed, and I wanted to take on kind of a grungy look. It's kind of making me think of like the punk edit videos that have been going around YouTube lately, other than adding tattoos, which I already have tattoos. But for this look, I did my makeup. I also have some fake plugs in. You can get these off Amazon and everything. They're just like a regular ear piercing. And then I have this vegan leather jacket. I found this at Winners. I think it's pretty cool. There's some like red accents and stuff. So I thought it would be perfect to create this look. Stay tuned to see how I did the makeup. I'm going to start by taking the Inglot Eyeshadow Keeper. This is an eyeshadow primer. Next, I'll take the Illamasqua Sketch Stick in Spirit. Next, I'm going to take 251, this medium brown from Inglot. I'm going to take that up into the crease. Next, I'm going to take an eyeshadow from the Makeup Forever Palette 9 Artist Shadow. And I'm going to take the shade Me 302. So this really cool reflective teal. So I'm going to take that on the lid. It's kind of like a duochrome shade. I think I'll do a bit of a halo eye. Next, I'm going to take the matte black from Inglot and fill in the outer lid. So I'm going to take the same light brown around underneath the eye, and then I'm going to go into a darker brown 327 and redefine the crease, go a bit darker. Okay, next I'm going to use the Inglot Black Gel Liner in 77. I'm going to do my regular cat eyeliner and also fill in my waterline. For mascara, I'm using the Estée Lauder Sumptuous Knockout Defining Lift and Fan Mascara in black. So the last thing I did, I added some Ardell lashes, just the half lashes, to add a little bit more drama and length to the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so that's everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, it would mean the world to me if you left me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.